Hey guys, welcome back to Java Code Analyzer by Mac. Before we start, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified for the next videos. So let's get started. So for today, we'll just try to understand what is Java. Okay. So Java is a object-oriented programming language which is developed by Sun Microsystems, and now the Java is owned by Oracle, guys. And this was released in 1995, and it is widely used for desktop application development, or it might be a web applications development or mobile application development. It might be for the Android and for automation testing and many more things. Okay, so basically Java is an object oriented programming language. Now object oriented is nothing but whatever the concepts or whatever the classes that will be built will be using the objects in order to refer to the behavior of a particular class, which we will see in the future sessions. But for now, just consider that Java is an object oriented programming language, okay, which was developed by Sun Microsystem, and now it is owned by Oracle. Okay, the next things are it has key features with respect to Java. So those are it is a platform independent. Java is a platform independent language. That means we can write once and run anywhere. Okay, this is a very important feature, guys, with respect to Java, that Java is a platform independent, which means that code is written in Java and can run on any platform that has a Java virtual machine. Now, code is written in Java, right? We will be writing the code in Java, and it can be executed on any other virtual machine. It can be, see, right now we are executing our code on Windows. Okay, so we can execute the code on Linux machine. We can execute the code on Mac machine. So it is varies. Okay, so Java is write once, run anywhere, which is an important feature of Java. So how does this WORA, or it is called as write once, run anywhere, works is, see, Java code is written in .java file, right? It is written in the .java file. So whatever the code that we will be writing in Eclipse, or it might be with IntelliJ, so we will be writing in the .java file, and it is compiled using the Java compiler. Okay, see, I'll just try to show you one example, guys. So this is the Eclipse tool that we are using. Okay, here if you see, we have written this apple.java class, right? So this is one class which we have written. This is an apple.java class. So where we have written the code, we have written the code in the .java class. See, this is a .java extension. So similarly, whenever we have written the code, we will be writing the code in the .java file, and it is compiled using the Java compiler. Okay, so once we have written the code is converted into the code is converted by the compiler and the compiler will not generate machine specific code. Instead, it will generate the bytecode. That means, see, first of all, whenever we write the code is converted into, I can show you here. See here, whenever we write the Java source code, it is converted into bytecode, right? The Java runtime environment will runs the Java program, and then Java virtual machine will execute the bytecode. So this is the process. So first we'll write the Java source code, then the Java runtime environment will run the Java program. Okay, then Java virtual machine will execute the Java bytecode. So this Java virtual machine, whatever we have considered, is specific to environments. Like for example, it is unique for Windows, it is unique for Mac. So like that. So hence, whenever we are considering Java, so Java first will be writing into .java file, and it is compiled using Java compiler. And then the compiler does not generate machine specific code. JVM will generate the byte specific code, and it will be executed. Okay, so platform independence through JVM. The Java virtual machine on each platform read the executed bytecode, since every operating system will have its own way of JVM implementation. The same Java bytecode can run on any system with the compatible Java virtual machine. Okay, First thing is that we'll be writing the .java file, okay, which is converted into the bytecode. Then whatever the bytecode is have, which will be specific to Java virtual machine, okay, and that virtual machine will be executing our code. So hence Java is an platform independent, or write once, run anywhere, okay. The next characteristics is the Java is an object oriented. That is, everything in the Java is based on objects and classes, okay, and whatever the code that we'll be writing will be reusable, and it will be in the form of a scalable way. That is, see, object orientation concepts consists of classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. So this is an object oriented. Java is an object oriented concept, which you will understand in the future sessions that I have considered with respect to class, object, what is a class, what is object, what is encapsulation, what is inheritance. So everything you will see in the future sessions, guys. Okay. And Java is an robust and secure. Like that means Java has built-in security features. Okay. See, such as bytecode verification. Now, how does Java works? So first, whatever the code that we have written, the .java file is converted into the bytecode, right? And every bytecode will have its verification. It's just a feature, guys. Okay, don't consider much. Okay, it's just a feature that Java is an robust and secure. And Java is multi-threaded. Right? For example, Java supports multiple threading, which allows program to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. See, for example, if you are considering this particular as a class, okay, this is a class that we have taken. Now, what is multi-threading is, if I am executing this particular class, okay, if I am giving run as Java application, so this will be executing my class. See, this is 12, 13 and 1000. I've executed this class and this is the output that I have received, right? So this is one thread. Now simultaneously, if one more object is created and that is being executed, we can execute same thing two times simultaneously. That is called as multi-threading. Multi-threading is two threads acting on one object, can be considered as multi-threaded. I know it is a bit complex, but you can but we will understand in the future sessions. But for just now, we can consider that Java is a multi-threaded programming language. Okay, it supports multi-threading. The next thing is, it is automatic memory management. See, whatever the objects are created or whatever the variable is created. For example, if you consider this, I have created 3 instance variables here, right? I have created 3 instance variables. So these instance variables are allocated with the memory in the backend. So that allocation of the memory and removal of the memory, or cleaning up the unused memory, is automatically done by the garbage collector, which is part of Java, So that is also a feature. Okay, so that is also a feature of Java, and it is rich API and large ecosystem. That means Java offers a wide range of libraries. See, nowadays, if we want to execute something, what we will be doing is, we'll not try to create. Whenever it is required, we try to create libraries. But whenever it is not required, we just import the libraries, either by jar files or with the help of pom.xml file. That is basically Maven dependency. See, for example, if you see here, right? So here there are n number of jar files. See, this is jar file. So what is jar file, guys? See, you can see the extension. So the extension is .jar, right? .jar. So this kind of libraries Java provides. See, now for example, we are using, for example, if you consider, I can show you guys here, java.util. I'm just trying to find java.util, guys. If I'm finding, that would be good. Let me open this java.base. See, these are all the libraries that are provided. See, this is java.lang, right? This is java.lang library. Okay. And next thing is, like, we have similarly with respect to the util, we have, right? Java.util, the collections concept. So whatever the collections we will be using, this will be in the form of libraries, right? See, here you can see event listener, here you can see hash set, here you can see hash map, right? Here you can see array list, linked list. So these are all the libraries that are provided by Java. So this support is there in Java. So that is also a feature with respect to the libraries. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is, see here you can see that different libraries we have. So here this is, if you go to this, so this is called as a .jar file, guys. See, this is called as .jar file, right? So this is JRE libraries. You can see the .jar extension. So these are called as .jar file, which are basically the libraries that are supported by Java. Okay. See here, if you see, these are all the libraries that are provided. So here, like if you can see the util library, so where we will be having different classes or different collections concept that we use. See, for example, here we have, here you can see that we have linked list, right? So this is one library. So this is a .jar file. So this is also a feature of Java that it supports various libraries. Okay, so it supports various libraries. Now, those are the major features or the key characteristics with respect to Java, guys. Yeah. So this is the major features of, these are the major key features of Java, guys. Okay.